Imagine being able to make $500 or more per day by just typing names into a website. How awesome is it, really? Okay, so this is how it works. You type a single word or name, like Michael and Boo, and you receive money. This is a great chance, and the potential earnings are as follows. For each page of names you enter, you might earn $20. If you type 5 pages, you could earn $100. If you type 20 pages a day, you could earn $400. The best part is that you can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. There are no restrictions. You can carry out this action on a computer or a phone. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, since this opportunity is open to everyone in the world and is totally free. The sign-up process is actually rather challenging, and the majority of people get it incorrectly. Referring back to the video, you can see that we can determine how much money you can make from this novel opportunity by utilizing the calculator on this website. Keep an eye on the rate per word, which is the amount you might earn for each word you write. In this case, it is 10 cents in US dollars. For instance, the first page of this typing project is right here, the second is right here, and the third is right here. Each of these pages contains about 300 words. If you type names, you might get compensated. Let me demonstrate this website, where you can make $20 and read 300 words in total. I can see a total of 300 names as I scroll down. In other words, just inputting names on this website might earn you $20 every page, which is a significant amount of money. You may easily make up to $400 or even $500 per day by just typing names on this website, since we can receive up to 20 pages each day. First and foremost, I urge you to visit Talentesire.com to start making money online right away without spending any money. There is no cost associated with this opportunity. There is also no need to make an initial commitment. As you can see by navigating to the bottom of this page, they provide a selection of work-from-home options. There are many different jobs you can do on this website, such as online page surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and online proofreading. However, in this video, we're going to concentrate on online typing jobs because it's one of the simplest tasks and doesn't require any prior experience or technical knowledge. Take a peek at this to notice the online typing job available. From $13,500 to $27,000 can be your annual salary. For people from all over the world, it's a fantastic way to make money. Regarding joining fees, you can see that there are none. There are no unforeseen costs before or after you join, and we never request contributions. This is a totally free and international opportunity. Now you'll be compensated differently depending on your skill level, from beginners to specialists. I'll reveal a quick additional hidden tip that will help you earn a greater rate shortly. As you can see, even if you are a beginner, you may be paid at a professional level. I'll share the approach with you in a moment, and no one else will be aware of it. Before we continue, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and give the video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it thus far. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed and learned something from this video. When we get back to the video, I'll show you the first bonus tip that could enable you to earn more by simply inputting names online. You can take a free typing test at ratatype.com, which is essentially the homepage of this website. The reason I want you to take this speed typing exam is that this website will issue you a certificate. I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and you'll be taken to a page where you can start typing on your phone or computer. This video will show you how to get this certificate for free today. You need a typing certificate because it will boost your earnings per page and enhance your revenue. For instance, make sure you obtain this certificate if you want to earn $20 for each page you type. The biggest secret is that if you can show them a typing proficiency certificate, you will be authorized much more quickly, have access to more high-paying connections, and have limitless career opportunities. With that said, inputting names will allow you to make $400 or even $500 every day. As you can see, they'll begin figuring out your accuracy and word per minute capacity as soon as you begin typing on this page. Therefore, it's imperative that you continue to watch to learn precisely how to obtain this certificate and how to finish your Talentesire.com application. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99% with no spelling or typing errors. You'll earn more money the more accurate you are. You can prove your typing speed and accuracy on this website by taking a typing test and earning a certificate. This will significantly raise your payment rate. Here is a real-world example of how you can take these tests right now and get your certificate for nothing in under 5 minutes. When I'm done typing, they'll display my typing speed right here along with the real outcome. Don't worry if your typing accuracy or speed is less than 98%, since you may return to howto00111.com and retake the typing test for free until you get it right. Now that you've found a result you like, scroll down and click this link to sign up for a free account on howto00111. Just click on here and enter your name, email address, and password to establish a free account. I entered my name, email address, and password after clicking this yellow sign up button, which you can see here, and I have accepted the terms and conditions. I then clicked this button right here. I'll access my howto00111 account after I register for a free one. These are the typing speed and accuracy results, and you can see my name right here on my dashboard. This is my certificate, which you can see if you scroll down below. Simply clicking the certificate will bring me to this page where Lauren Smith was recognized for her English language typing skills. To further demonstrate the authenticity of the certificate, they will even display the signature from howto00111.com. You will benefit much from this credential, and you can anticipate receiving much higher pay. Keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up, register, and submit an application for a typing job on Talentesire.com so you can start receiving writing drop-in jobs like this one right away. Now, as you scroll down below, you can actually click on this print button right here. But don't worry, you can do this on both your computer and your phone. All you have to do is save the image of your certificate or save it as a TED file by clicking on the Save button. As you can see, this is the actual certificate that I received for free from the howto00111 website. Once you have this certificate, you may start applying for jobs. To do this, go to Talentesire.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click the red Apply Now button. This will take you to a page where you can start your job application. The registration page is actually quite concealed on this website, so if you don't pay close attention and watch this video through to the conclusion, you might get lost or not be able to locate the registration page. When you arrive at this page, scroll down to the bottom to view here. You can see an online application form for work from home on this page by selecting an application and clicking this red link right here. The red Fill in your details to apply and work with us link can be found at the bottom of the page by scrolling down. Rewatch the video if you can't find the sign up page. You can also add this video to your playlist or save it so you can revisit it later. You will need to enter your personal information when you scroll down below this page. You must first agree to the privacy statement before entering your first and last names, email address, and phone number. Additionally, if you click on this downward pointing arrow, you'll discover that they accept visitors from all around the world, including Pakistan, the United States, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and Nigeria. Moving on to the following section, this is essentially all about your professional information and is a crucial area that most people erroneously complete. Now that you have completed the job title box, I want you to select the time that works best for you by typing the job title exactly as it appears below. You can select any time by clicking this down arrow here, but I suggest full day because it will provide you more options and work, which will enable you to earn more money online. Finally, select PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit as the best method for receiving your profits by clicking on the down arrow here. In order to select your current professional status, scroll down below and select Self-Employed. After filling out all the required fields, move on and click I have read and accept the foregoing statement. Also, don't forget to sign your name here by typing your full name and selecting I'm not a robot. Finally, click the Submit button. Once you've been approved, you can begin receiving typing tasks for names like this one, where you can make $20 for just 300 words and just one page, plus another $20 for the next 2 pages, and so on. You can get $20 for each page you type, but in order to continue receiving daily assignments, you must submit your work on time. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.